Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will show you what to do if your RealMe Narzo 30A turned off by itself and would no longer respond or turn on. There are times when mid-range and budget-friendly smartphones like the RealMe Narzo 30A will just power down and would no longer respond after that. But rest assured that as long as it's not a hardware issue, you will be able to make your phone respond again. Here's what you need to do about it. First solution, perform the forced restart. Most of the time, such a problem is due to a minor firmware crash. It's when Android stops responding, which leaves your phone to become unresponsive as well. It may seem like a serious problem, but it's actually fixable. In fact, doing the forced restart may even fix it. Here's how. Press the volume up button and the power key and hold them both for 10 seconds. This will trigger your smartphone to boot up. Once the logo shows on the screen, release both keys and wait until the reboot is finished. The moment the logo shows is a sign the problem is fixed, as your phone has already turned on. However, if it's still stuck on the black screen and won't respond, then move on to the next solution. Second solution, charge your phone and do the forced restart. The other possibility that you have to rule out is that the battery may have been drained and that the firmware crashed just before the juice ran out. If that's the case, then your phone neither turns on or charges. But don't worry, you can fix it by doing the following. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet. Use the original charging cable to connect your phone to its charger. Give it about 10 minutes to charge regardless of whether the charging sign shows or not. After that, and while the device is connected to the charger, press and hold the volume up button and the power key for 10 seconds. Release both keys if the logo shows on the screen. These are the only procedures you have to do to know if your phone needs to be checked by a tech. So if it still won't respond even after doing this, then that's the time you considered bringing it back to the shop. We hope that this guide can somehow help you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and make sure you enable the notifications so that you'll be notified when we publish new videos. Thanks for watching.